Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So there will be two scenarios. First, you are on this screen like normal window. So if you want to go to the blue screen window, you have to do the same process, and in the second scenario you will directly on the blue screen, and I will show you how to open the blue screen window. So first of all, in the first scenario we will see how to go to the blue screen from the normal desktop. So firstly search for reset and click here to open it. Reset this PC. Once we are here, from the advanced startup, click on reset now and select restart now. Okay, so this window will take you on to the blue screen. Okay, here we are. In the second scenario, you have to start your computer, and as soon as Windows logo appears, turn computer off. Repeat this process twice, third time, and when you will start your computer, you will get into the automatic repair screen on the blue screen error. So click on advanced options, then go to troubleshoot, then again advanced options, and click on command prompt. Now we need to execute some commands here, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. So type in bootrec space /fix mbr and hit enter. Then type in bootrec space /fix boot, and if you get the access denied error, you can also check out our pinned comment to fix this issue. And if it comes, then no worry, we will simply move to the next command, that will be bootrec. Okay, bootrec space /nt60 space sys and hit enter, and then type cls and then go for boot rec space /fix boot, and once done, type in bootrec space /rebuild. Now type sfc space /scan now and hit enter. So this command will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it. And once done, type exit and close this window and simply click on continue, and that's it guys. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go. You can also check out our pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe to the channel.